In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of an image in Adobe Express. To begin, make sure the image you want to work with is visible on your canvas. Click directly on the image to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box or handles around it, and the editing controls appear on the right side of your screen. Selecting the image is important because it tells Adobe Express which item you're editing, and it unlocks the options we need. Now, look to the right-hand panel and open either Adjust or Filters. Adjust gives you precise control over individual settings, while Filters offers preset looks you can apply with a single click. You can move between these at any time, so don't worry about choosing the perfect one right away. If you're in Adjust, start with Color or Tint. This applies a color overlay that shifts the overall hue of your image. Pick a hue that suits your design, then use the Intensity or Strength slider to decide how subtle or bold the change should be. A lighter touch keeps skin tones and details more natural. A heavier tint creates a stylized, monochromatic effect. This is great for branding, mood boards, or making a consistent look across multiple images. Next, fine-tune with Saturation or Vibrance. Saturation boosts or mutes all colors evenly, while Vibrance targets the less saturated tones and tends to protect skin tones. If you want a lively, punchy image, nudge these sliders up a bit. If you'd rather have a softer, editorial look, bring them down. Make small, gradual changes and keep an eye on areas like skies, clothing, and faces to avoid oversaturation. Then adjust brightness and contrast to set the mood and depth. Increasing brightness lifts the overall exposure. Decreasing it adds a moody, low-light feel. Contrast controls the separation between lights and darks. More contrast brings crisp definition. Less contrast creates a flatter, filmic vibe. Watch your shadows and highlights so you don't lose detail on either end. If you prefer a faster route, head to Filters. Browse the preset color effects and click to apply them instantly. Most filters include an intensity slider so you can dial the effect up or down. A handy approach is to choose a filter that gets you close, then switch back to Adjust for precise tweaks. If you make a change you're not happy with, use Undo or reset the sliders. When the image's colors match your vision, you're done. That's all it takes to change the color of an image in Adobe Express.